Good afternoon. My name is Rubidayan Magarin, 150 centimeters, 37 years old, from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am a single mother with 3 kids. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. In the year 2021, I work as a helper of a 6 years old boy to take good care of him and to clean the house. I am willing to cook Chinese food, and I am willing to take care of a baby and to take care of an elderly, and I am willing to sing for the kids and to read a storybook. And now I am ready to work abroad to take for the future of my children and to support for their education. I am looking forward to work with you, Madam, and sirs. Thank you very much.